we found two main common pain points that I want to talk about, especially with US clients. So the first one, a lot of these small to mid-sized companies, they grow quickly, so they have challenges with their processes. And then the other one is the tight labor market today especially in the US. One very good thing that a prospective client can do, such as yourselves that are on this call, ask yourself a few questions. Are your processes documented? Do you review them periodically? Are they up to date? How do you know whether they're efficient? Do you measure your employees? What are your benchmarks? How do you know that they're good? These are all good questions to ask yourself. As sort of a solution to this problem, whenever we partner with Innovature and we try to implement outsourcing, we are required, it is incumbent upon us to look at your processes and document them so that we can train our staff, so we can hire them, so we can hire them, tell them what to do, and basically be successful. The side benefit of that is that typically we tend to tweak things here or there or redesign the whole process, and you end up with a more efficient process. And then the other big challenge that mid-sized to small companies in the US today are facing is related to the tight job market that we have out there. It is hard for the controller or the CFO of a mid to small size company that's growing like crazy to take time out of their day, set up recruiting programs or go to job fairs or market in order to attract or capture the top talent that would normally go to a KPMG or an EY automatically. Controllers and CFOs must focus on closing the books, basically, and it's really difficult. The other, what ends up happening usually is that a staffing firm like Accountants or Robert Half gets hired to find folks for these companies. But the reality is that the level of talent that is accessible through that avenue is not comparable to a top accounting firm. The fact that you work with a temp agency, they're always looking. Turnover is high. In addition to that, these staffing firms, they don't provide you process optimization. They just fill a person in. They bring them in, they give you an employee. Good luck. Which means that all the training, all the supervision, all the measurement of the performance of these employees is on you. So that's extra management burden, basically. And if they do leave, or if you find that they're not good, guess what? You're the one having to find another person, take another risk, take whatever weeks or months it takes to train them, and then you have to manage them. That's where Innovature comes in, where we help our clients a lot, because we bring you top talent. And I'm talking bachelor's degree, master's degree level employees that you wouldn't really have access to on the normal market if you were to try to hire them yourself. We train them, we benchmark them, we train them against your other employees, against your processes. And if they leave, we always have someone trained on the back end. So we're able to backfill a person effectively, where all you're worried about is knowing how many positions you have, and we end-to-end manage them, staff them, you name it.